Will Koffee win the Grammy tonight? Welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. Today is January 26, 2020, right? And it's going to be the 62nd annual Grammy Awards. And Koffee has been nominated amongst 4 other Jamaicans or reggae dancehall projects. Let's put it that way, because I'm all the time a Jamaican, right? So if you never know, you know now, say tonight a Grammy, so I say, so turn on your TV, get your pod cover, because if Koffee win, we know how it's a go. See me, and Jamaica done the on a roll, because we win Miss World with you, so I say. And no, you know, if one of the other people and win, like, I go tell you now who and who, like, Steel Pulse in there, I think it's Ziggy Marley. Let me get it phone right away. You see me, I say. So the other people are Gillian Marley, Sly and Robbie, Steel Pulse, and Third World. So Koffee up against some big name. But you know, a long time them people are not doing no recent music, but Koffee Rapture EP is up. You see me, I say. Don't get me wrong, you know, that because me I say a long time they not doing no recent music, like no good music, and them are no competition to Koffee, and that me I say. But people me don't know, me just have it in my mind and my soul. Maybe I want Koffee to win, but me just feel like she a go win. Who else feel that way? I want to put in the comment section. So, like me say, I have my pod cover them on standby, because I say if Koffee win tonight, man, I know say a different something. You see me, I say, I know that for a fact. You know, say a celebration. You see me, I say Koffee been a burn up road with her song them. And, you know, if she win right now, this I go just put it over the top. Oh, by the way, upon the Arden official alumni page, me see this, right? So me see them post Koffee and them say tonight at the Grammy, and them a big up them star the night. That's what them call them. So I guess if you went to Arden and know you're a star the night, which is clever to me. So yeah, that's all I want to say, people. Me just want to know say tonight at the Grammy, Koffee has been nominated, and Juliet Marley, Steel Pulse, Third World, and Sly and Robbie. So, if Koffee win tonight, we know say a celebration. Anybody win, you know we are got glad feet, but we know say if Koffee win is an extra celebration. So, get your pot cover and put on standby. You see me? Because Koffee a go win. Me a call it, you see me? Maybe me wrong and me have to go delete that video later or something, but if me right, I can always keep the video and say me did say Koffee I go win. Done. A joke me I make, man. But big up on yourself, and everybody hope you have a blessed day. Do remember tonight is the Grammy. Tune in. Big up Koffee. Alright. And if it's your first time on this page and you have a like and follow page, please like and follow page for daily updates. And if you're watching on YouTube and it's your first time and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for daily updates. Thank you.